Okay, so Talbot has been around for over 35 years. We've worked extensively across the African continent in over 20 countries. And as a business, we look to activate the transition to sustainable water. And we do that by a number of products and services, a few of which are, for instance, our environmental testing, our laboratories, our water risk and strategy at a board and executive level. We do water management on site. Including on-site operations. We also have Talbot Analytics, which gives real-time data and data management. And then finally, we also source funding and build the plants ourselves with long-term service level agreements and management contracts. There's a massive opportunity in terms of the networking, but it's also very interesting to listen to the government and the private sector talking about what the plans are for 2025. And then for us specifically looking at what kind of role and focus that they've got on water moving forward in that space. So that's really why we're here. Water in itself is the most precious resource to all life on our planet. And looking at good strategy and long-term investments, we want to showcase to the mining sector that there's an additional profits stream, and also the surrounding communities then have not just clean water, but they also have infrastructure. There's opportunity for economic growth. So we really believe that it can make an impact in that space. In the mining space, obviously, it's long-term investments that come through there, and it really does affect the surrounding communities for a long period of time and afterwards. And water projects themselves are also long-term investments, and it's something that well after the mine is closed, the water itself is a massive asset, and independent of governmental policy or economic impacts, is always going to increase in value. So it's something that they can leave as a legacy. Just in terms of Talbot, I think we are fortunate and unique that we have such a broad range of skills in-house. So as an example, we can take a water strategy at a board level and executive level, kind of sitting at a consulting kind of think tank, and we actually take that into implementation, often have taken it into implementation with long-term operations. And then that RP enables us, in terms of our initial solutions, that we, in terms of concept level, provide real value, specifically in cost and then, long-term kind of maintenance and operating costs. It allows us to put our money where our mouth is.